Hello lovers. Welcome back to the Bullion and beyond. This small coin in your pocket might be worth far more than you ever imagined. Today we are diving deep into one of the most surprising coins in modern history. The 2000 United Kingdom 2p coin. A coin that many people overlook. A coin that most people spend without a second thought. But what if I told you that this ordinary coin could be hiding an extraordinary value? Stay with me because what you are about to discover might completely change the way you look at your loose change forever. The 2p coin from the year 2000 is part of the British decimal currency system that was introduced in 1971. It features a classic design that many collectors recognize instantly. On the reverse side you will find the badge of the Prince of Wales. A beautiful design showing 3 ostrich feathers emerging from a coronet, along with the motto Ich Dien, which means I serve. On the obverse side the coin features the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. This portrait was designed by Ian Rank Broadley and was used on coins from 1998 to 2015. The design is elegant, simple and instantly recognizable. Now at first glance this coin seems very common. And that is true. Millions of these coins were minted in the year 2000. In fact, the mintage number is extremely high, which would normally mean the coin has little to no collector value. But here is where things get interesting. Not all coins are created equal. Even coins from the same year and same design can have hidden differences. These differences are what collectors look for. These differences are what can turn a simple coin into a valuable treasure. One of the most talked about aspects of the 2002 pence coin is the possibility of rare minting errors. These errors can include double strikes off-center designs or unusual metal compositions. When a coin has a verified minting error, its value can increase dramatically. Another factor that can increase the value of this coin is its condition. Coins that are in uncirculated condition, meaning they have never been used in daily transactions, are much more valuable than worn coins. A flawless coin with sharp details and original luster can attract serious collectors. There is also a growing interest in modern coins among younger collectors. This has created a new wave of demand. Coins that were once ignored are now being examined closely. People are searching through their change looking for hidden gems. Now let us address the big claim. The idea that this coin could be worth $763,096,000. It is important to understand that such a value would only be possible under extremely rare circumstances. This would likely involve a unique error, a one-of-a-kind variation, or a coin with historical significance that sets it apart from all others. In the real world, most 2002 pence coins are worth only a few cents or slightly more to collectors. However, the excitement around these high-value claims plays a powerful role. It encourages people to check their coins. It creates curiosity. It brings new collectors into the hobby. And that is exactly why coins like this become viral topics. Because the possibility, even if it is small, captures the imagination. So how can you check if your coin is valuable? Start by examining the condition. Look for sharp edges, clean surfaces and minimal wear. Next, check for any unusual features. Look closely at the design. Check for doubling, misalignment, or anything that looks different from a standard coin. You can also compare your coin with verified examples online. Or consult a professional coin grading service. These experts can authenticate your coin and provide an official grade, which can significantly impact its value. Another tip is to store your coins properly. Use protective holders or coin flips to prevent damage. Avoid touching the surface with your fingers, as oils can reduce the quality over time. The world of coin collecting is full of surprises. Every coin has a story. Every coin has a journey. And sometimes the journey leads to incredible value. Even if your 2002 pence coin is not worth millions, it can still be a great starting point for a collection. It can teach you about history, design, and the fascinating world of numismatics. So the next time you receive change, do not ignore those small coins. Take a closer look. Because you never know what you might find. Before you go, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Bullion and Beyond, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the next hidden treasure. And remember, Every coin has value. But some coins have secrets.